Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put on gloves and glasses and remove any curtains or obstructions. Once done, open the sash fully and prop it so the mechanism is unloaded. This prevents sudden drops. Use a screwdriver or 2mm hex to loosen the visible screws on the lock housing and keep screws in a labeled container. As you lift the cover, observe the actuator, cam, and spindle. This initial inspection tells you whether you need a replacement cam, a bent spindle, or just lubrication. Now focus on the heart of the lock. Inspect the cam, spindle, and hook for wear or deformation. The how matters because a worn cam won't engage properly. Once you identify the faulty element, clean corrosion and old grease from pivots using a cloth and a small brush, then apply a light penetrating lubricant to restore movement. If a part is broken, remove its retaining screw or pin, swap in the matching replacement, and make sure mating surfaces seat flush before reassembly. Reassemble with care. Align the cam and spindle, then reinstall the housing and tighten screws just snug so plastic isn't crushed. Once done, operate the lock through 10 slow cycles to confirm smooth engagement. This verifies alignment and reveals binding. If the bolt misses the keeper, loosen screws and adjust the striker plate, adding a thin shim if needed. If sticking or slack remains after adjustments, recalibrate the spindle length or replace the whole lock unit. This single corrective swap is often the only way to guarantee reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.